Right now here in Nairobi, we are thinking about strategic autonomy out of a Kenyan and East African perspective. Let me share a few insights. I'm in Nairobi, Kenya for a workshop on strategic autonomy organized by the Carl Duisberg Association. Here are 3 points that come out of the deliberations with the representatives from the government of Kenya, different sectors of government, as well as from different civil society organizations. First, we want from Europe governance, but not interference and not dominance. Second, we want and need cooperation in the fields of tech, but tech that is relevant and makes a difference in the African context and can be used by the East African societies, particularly here in Kenya. So that means mid-tech, low-tech, as well as high-tech, but again, always adjusted to what is needed here. And third, we want investments into human resources, here into our younger generation, also support for democratic networks and movements around Gen Z and feminist groupings fighting for democratic rights and for the joint building of future.